In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the radio, touch screen, CD player from Toyota Avalon 2013, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and size 10mm socket. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demonstration only. The first step, you drop this panel, the plastic panel, underneath the radio AC control, and it has one connector which you need to disconnect. And the next thing, there is a connector for the AC unit, for the AC front panel, which you need to disconnect. That is kind of short, yeah, before you remove the whole front panel. And the next step, you just make sure you drop down your steering wheel all the way down and then bring it all the way forward, so we can remove the bezel around the speedometer cluster with the air conditioning vent. Just pop up the whole vent assembly. And in order to get it out, you just jiggle it, and it has, I'll show you in a second, it has all of these clips around the steering wheel column which you need to disconnect. And then these are all the clips that around the bezel, which when you insert your dashboard removal tool, make sure you insert it close to this clip so it will come out easily. And it has also one connector for the hazard switch which you need to disconnect. In this step, all of the four mounting bolts for the mounting brackets are all exposed. There are two on the top, and then the two underneath the whole front panel. I don't know if you can see it over here or not. It's a size 10mm. Once you get these four bolts out, and then you can pull the whole radio and the AC control forward, and just be careful with this wood grain dashboard, the bezel, so you won't get the scratches. You need to cover it with the towel or something, and then you can pull the radio forward and then disconnect all the connectors on the back. And if you need any repair for the radio, CD player, touch screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. And if your car is equipped with the navigation, it's the same procedure. And we also have another video which shows how to separate the radio from the AC panel. If you want to send it out for the repair, there is a link underneath this video. It shows you how to separate the radio from the AC panel. Thank you.